This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the live option appears. Make sure you have admin or creator permissions and that your device camera and microphone work. Once confirmed, open the target app or web dashboard and sign in. Navigate directly to the content or channel settings and locate the live or streaming section. Don't skip updating the app or browser. Outdated clients hide features. Now, select the live setup wizard to start configuration and move to the next detailed steps. Once in the live setup, you configure the core streaming details. First, pick the stream type, schedule a future event if you need promotion, or go instant to begin now. Then enter a clear title, description, and audience settings to match policy and reach. Next, set technical parameters, resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. For example, 1080p at 3,000 kbps, and retrieve the stream key or connect account. Make sure to save settings. Test your preview before starting the broadcast. To complete, run a brief preview and confirm audio, video, and captioning work correctly. When you're satisfied, press the Start or Go Live button and watch the monitoring tools, chat, viewer count, and health indicators to ensure steady delivery. If latency spikes or no video appears, stop the stream, verify the stream key, and reauthorize camera and microphone permissions, then restart. One key troubleshooting tip: if viewers see a black screen, refresh the stream key and restart the encoder. That usually resolves codec or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.